Have you ever wondered how some website owners keep their identity private while hosting websites online? Or maybe you've heard people talking about buying web hosting with cryptocurrency and thought, why would someone pay for hosting using crypto instead of a credit card or PayPal? Is it only for hackers? Is it illegal? Or is there actually a legitimate reason why thousands of website owners, bloggers, journalists, privacy advocates, and online entrepreneurs choose crypto payments for hosting every day? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain everything in a simple way. We'll talk about what crypto payments are, why people use them for web hosting, who actually needs anonymous hosting, the benefits and limitations, and most importantly, how you can buy web hosting anonymously using cryptocurrency step by step. So make sure you watch this video until the end because there are some important things most people don't know before making their first crypto hosting purchase. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ABC Hosting. I'm John, and today we're discussing a topic that has become increasingly important in the online world: how to use crypto to buy web hosting anonymously. Complete guide. Whether you're creating a privacy-focused blog, running an independent media platform, launching a startup, hosting streaming content, managing a community forum, or simply value your online privacy, understanding anonymous hosting payments can be extremely useful. So let's first understand the basics. What is cryptocurrency? Before we talk about anonymous hosting, let's quickly understand what cryptocurrency actually is. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional payments that go through banks, crypto transactions are processed through decentralized networks. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, Litecoin, Monero, XMR. When you send crypto, the transaction happens directly between wallets without requiring a bank or payment processor. This is one of the major reasons why many people prefer crypto payments for hosting services. Why do people buy web hosting with crypto? Now let's answer the most common question. Why would someone use crypto instead of a credit card? There are several reasons. One, better privacy. When you pay using a credit card, your personal information is usually connected to the transaction. This may include full name, billing address, bank information, payment history. Crypto payments can reduce the amount of personal information connected to your hosting purchase. For many users, this additional privacy is extremely valuable to global accessibility. Not everyone has access to international payment methods. Some countries have restrictions on credit cards, uh, international payments, online banking. Crypto allows users from almost anywhere in the world to purchase hosting services without facing those limitations. Three, faster international transactions. Um, Traditional international payments can sometimes take days. Crypto payments are often processed much faster, allowing hosting accounts to be activated quickly. Four, financial independence. Some users simply prefer not to rely on banks or payment processors. Crypto provides an alternative payment method that gives users more control over their funds. Who actually uses anonymous hosting? Now, let's clear up a huge misconception. Many people believe anonymous hosting is only used for illegal websites. That is simply not true. Many legitimate users choose privacy-focused hosting. For example, independent journalists, privacy advocates, political commentators, bloggers, content creators, digital entrepreneurs, activists in restrictive regions, community forum owners, streaming platforms, research organizations. In many situations, people simply want to separate their personal identity from their online projects. Privacy does not automatically mean illegal activity. What does anonymous hosting actually mean? This is another important point. Anonymous hosting does not mean you become completely invisible online. Instead, it usually means reducing the amount of personal information linked to your hosting account. The level of anonymity depends on your hosting provider, registration requirements, payment method, Personal information provided during sign-up. Crypto payments are simply one part of improving online privacy. Now let's go through the complete process step by step. Step 1. Choose a privacy-focused hosting provider. The first step is selecting a hosting provider that accepts cryptocurrency. Look for features such as crypto payments, offshore hosting options, privacy-friendly policies, strong uptime, DDoS protection, reliable customer support. Choosing the right provider is extremely important. Step 2. Create a crypto wallet. Before making a payment, you need a cryptocurrency wallet. A wallet allows you to store cryptocurrency, send payments, receive funds. Popular wallet options include mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and hardware wallets. Always keep your wallet recovery phrase secure. Never share it with anyone. Step 3. Buy cryptocurrency. Next, purchase cryptocurrency from a trusted exchange. Many hosting providers accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USDT. USDT is particularly popular because its value remains relatively stable compared to many other cryptocurrencies. Uh, Step 4. Register for hosting. Visit your chosen hosting provider. Select the hosting plan that meets your requirements. This could be shared hosting VPS, hosting dedicated server, offshore hosting complete the order process. Step 5. Choose cryptocurrency as payment method. At checkout, select cryptocurrency payment. The hosting provider will usually generate a wallet address, a QR code, payment amount. Double check every detail before sending funds. Because blockchain transactions are generally irreversible. Step 6. Send the payment. Open your crypto wallet. Enter the wallet address provided by the hosting company. Send the exact amount requested. After blockchain confirmation, your hosting account is usually activated automatically. Step 7. Secure your website. After purchasing hosting, don't stop there. Improve your privacy and security by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, installing SSL certificates, keeping software updated, using secure email accounts. Privacy works best when combined with good security practices. Important things to remember. Before buying hosting with crypto, keep these points in mind. Crypto transactions cannot usually be reversed. Always verify wallet addresses carefully. A mistake can result in lost funds. Keep wallet credentials safe. Your wallet recovery phrase is extremely important. Losing it may mean losing access to your cryptocurrency permanently. Understand your hosting provider's policies. Not every provider offers the same level of privacy. Read their policies carefully before purchasing. Now, if you're specifically looking for a provider that accepts crypto payments and offers offshore hosting solutions, one option worth checking out is QloudHost. QloudHost provides offshore web hosting, offshore VPS hosting, dedicated servers, privacy-focused infrastructure, crypto payment support, and for users who prioritize content freedom, privacy, and offshore hosting environments. QloudHost also offers 100% DMCA ignored offshore hosting. This can be beneficial for website owners who want stronger content protection, better privacy, and hosting infrastructure outside certain jurisdictions. Of course, every website owner should still follow applicable laws and regulations relevant to their situation. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the QloudHost link in the description below and explore their hosting solutions for yourself. So that's it for today's video. Now you know what cryptocurrency is, why people use crypto for web hosting, who benefits from anonymous hosting, how to buy hosting with crypto step by step, important security precautions to follow, and how offshore hosting providers like QloudHost fit into the privacy-focused hosting ecosystem. I hope this guide helped you understand the entire process clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to ABC Hosting, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future hosting and cybersecurity guides. And if you still have any questions or confusion about buying hosting with cryptocurrency, anonymous hosting, offshore hosting, or anything related to web hosting, drop your question in the comments section below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Joan, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure, stay private, and keep building online. Bye, everyone.